The Podestarile Palace, known as the castle. The actual town was founded under the Gotti family on the site of a much older settlement that dates back to the Roman era. Evidence for this is to be seen in the numerous archaeological findings that have come to light. These include a tombstone found at the base of the tower and the hundreds of tiled tombs that make up the necropolis, which today is buried at a depth of 60 to 120 centimetres under the main square. Historically, the castle occupied the entire west side of the square, which is dedicated to St. Peter, from Via Borghi to Via Cavour. It's important to bear in mind here that the original square was considerably bigger in dimension, as the buildings between Via Nino Bixio and Via Cavour did not exist. One of the remaining sides was home to the Piave or church, and the other two were vaulted areas which housed the cattle stalls and the market on rainy days. The castle has been the seat of power in the town since feudal times, and today the emblem of the Marini family, sea waves, can still be seen on the castle ceilings. Since 1927, the castle has hosted the town hall offices and so has reacquired its historical role as the seat of local power. The emblem of the governing body can be seen in the cobbled paving. Today, besides the town hall offices, the building also houses the local library and two spacious and elegant meeting rooms, which are lavishly decorated with frescoes dating from 1394 to 1557. The side of the building looking onto the main square was commissioned by Galeazzo Sforza in 1470. Observing the civil tower, three distinct construction stages can be identified. The last of these was in the late 1980s. Every 23rd of May, a yellow and white flag is flown from the top of the tower to herald the opening of the annual Gualdo market. Gualdo is the local term for the plant from whose blue extract the famous colour Genova blue, or, better known as blue jeans, was extracted. For over 300 years, from the 1300s to the 1600s, this extract was produced and sold in Castelnuovo, to be transported over the mountains to Genova by mule train. On the flag there are two invocations in Latin. The first reads, "Lord, save us from the plague, famine and war," and the second, "Lord, save us from lightning and hail." During the celebrations, bags of salt and grain, a candle, a blessed olive branch and a bunch of gualdo are hung from the top of the flagpole as a benediction for the coming year.